Hi love, so here is my hair loss I had in my previous video when I did coffee challenge. Okay, so and this is my hair after I was done losing it. Okay, this is what my hair looks like. I feel my hair is getting very dark and thicker. Yeah, what do you think? In the comment section let me know. So I want to wash my hair, okay, to remove all the coffee, everything coffee from my hair, okay. And I also want to do like a treatment as well, okay, a protein treatment. All right, so this is the hair loss I had. And yeah, so let's get to the next step. Hi guys, so in today's recipe I'm going to be using egg and coffee for a treatment. So I've already washed my hair. My hair is already washed, so I'm going to apply this on my hair, and I'll allow it to soak. Alright, so stay subscribed to the channel, like, share, and comment, and let's get started. First of all, I'm going to break my egg. Okay, my egg is inside. I'm going to add in my coffee directly. I'm not going to infuse the coffee, like dilute the coffee with water. I don't know. I'm just going to add it directly inside, okay? Then I'll mix gently. Because coffee knows how to dry out your hair and the rest, I'm going to be adding Vaseline, just a little, but I need to melt it. So don't do the hot water inside here, then put Vaseline and I'll melt it. This is gonna melt. I'll just give it time to melt. Already melting. It's done melting. I don't want it to over melt so that our egg does not get cooked. Okay, so how it is. So I'm going to add it inside my egg and coffee mixture. I will mix. What you need for this, you need a pen and this, because we're going to leave it on our hair. So this is my mixture. I'm just going to be applying it gradually on my hair. Yeah, and that coffee recipe. Yes guys, I have been loving coffee on my hair. Okay, so I apply it. I use it more often. Why? Put all that stuff so that my hair does not get so dry, because coffee can tend to dry out your hair if it's too much. So just incorporate coffee with other things so that your hair does not get dried. and this can be messy, so please do it in the bathroom. Still have some left, so I will reapply on the other of the hairs, and I'll come back and show you guys how I'll cover my hair. I am done applying on my hair, so I'm going to use my plastic foil paper. And wrap it over my hair. Time my hair for 30 minutes, then I'll wash it out. I'm trying to hold on. So I am video recording my timer. This is 30 minutes, okay? So I'm timing it for 30 minutes. I don't know if you guys can see. Anyway, I'll put it in the I'll show it in the screen. After 30 minutes, then I will come and remove it. Okay, so see you guys in the next 30 minutes. So guys, 30 minutes is off. I off my distance. I in blank, I off it. So you guys can see my face, like can you see my body? I'm just going to hop into the shower and bath. So let me just spread it out. I'm just going to go and shower. show you guys what my hair looks like after I am done. Yeah, so I'm going to be using this coconut conditioner for my hair, and that's it. I've already washed my hair, so I'm only going to rinse it out and condition my hair. So I'll catch you guys later. Just finished bathing. Yeah, so this is how my hair looks like. I love it. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. If you watched this extent, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all besties in my next video. Stay subscribed, guys. Okay, I'll see you guys later.